Hey, welcome to the installation and the activation video for RadialZ. So what I have here is the .exe file, and this is what you need to install. This is what you get once you purchase the RadialZ plugin. But the number that you see here might differ depending on at which point you purchase it. The installation is pretty straightforward. I'm going to walk you through it, and also the activation. So let's go ahead and double click this to install. And this is the beginning of the RadialZ setup. This is the license agreement. You can go ahead and scroll through this and read it and click on I agree. Then I'm going to install it just for myself, click on next, and I would recommend just to leave the default folders, but you can change where this is located. I'm going to click on install, and it just goes through the process. It takes a few seconds, and there you go. So it is installed. I'm going to leave this run RadialZ on so that you can see what happens, or you can turn it off and then just double click the the shortcut that is created. But I'm going to leave this on, and I'm going to click on finish, and the next window that appears is your activation. So all you need to do is paste the key that was sent to your email. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. So you should have received an email like this. I'm going to go ahead and copy my key, and I'm going to go back into RadialZ, and I'm just going to paste it here. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and click on activate, and it says activation is successful. And the next window that would appear is your actual Radial application. And that's it. That's the installation and the activation of the app. Now, you can go through this onboarding process. Just click on Let's Go and walk you through this whole thing. However, I have dedicated videos that I'm going to show you where and how to install for ZBrush 2026 or for any previous versions of 2026 as well. So I'll see you in there.